full frost. I've added probably 1 can, which is about 10 ounces. I may have to take a little bit out, but I'm just testing it right now. I didn't want to leave it in a vacuum, so I went ahead and put some refrigerant in it. Good old keyboard duster spray. She seems to be pretty healthy so far. So everything that I've done so far, it's got a new fan motor, new fan blade. I've put this inline filter dryer. Let's see. It's got new springs, and I put some rubber bushings in there. Most of the bolts and stuff is new. Pulling off a little bit of heat. Compressor's just slightly warm. I believe we got a runner. And of course I still got to rewire it, put it back in the cabinet, put my overload protector back on there, wire it into the thermostat. Trying to get this back ready for the compressor to come back in here. I did clean all this up really good in the top of the cabinet here, and I sprayed it with a rubberized coating to kind of protect it from hopefully rusting, or at least for a very long time. And this in here with the insulation was pretty cracked, getting pretty cracked, so I put the rubberized coating on it too, and I came back and put this tape. I'm not certain exactly what kind of tape it is. I bought it from a refrigeration supply house. We normally use it to wrap up the Freon lines, the insulation around it. I was just trying to dress it up, make it a little bit nicer, maybe keep a little better. But yes, this is the 30s Westinghouse. It's got the porcelain finish. Still needs a good bit of work. Still got to have a door seal. Got to get the rest of the rust out of the inside and clean it up. It's running about 2 psi on the low side, which is at about 2 psi on the high side, or actually probably about 15 psi. All right, gonna watch it a little longer.